Hello, welcome to a really quick unboxing of the Realacc HUBOSD Eco X type with HUBOSD current sensor, 5V, 12V dual BEC PDB with XT60 black from Banggood. So when I heard that Realacc is coming out with the X version of the HUBOSD type H, I was really excited. This is the H version I'm using for quite some time now, and I'm loving it. The 5V out is really clean, as well as the 12V out. And yeah, so let's unbox this one. So it comes with a cap as the H version. The H version comes with white standoffs, the X version with black ones. XT60, that's the same. Yeah, cool. So they moved the current sensor to the side so they can fit all in the smaller form factor. Pretty cool. Other than that, it looks pretty much identical. Yeah, they moved the components a bit around. So backside. So let's compare the weight of the X and the H version. The H version is 8.59 grams and the X version is 9.09 grams. Okay, that's a significant difference, surprisingly. Let's get some size measurements going here. At the narrow end it's 36.11 and at the widest it's 46.15, and the narrow side is 36.33 and the long side is 51.34. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next unboxing.